Hey everyone! So today I wanted to talk to you about the AA-2 or Ascent Abort-2 from NASA. They were testing the abort system of the Orion capsule under what is called max Q, so the point on flight where there's the most aerodynamic pressure on the vehicle. So not only was this one of the most beautiful launches I've seen in a while, but also I want to look at some pictures from mid-flight with you. The Orion capsule was carried up to about 9.5 kilometers of altitude and reached a speed of approximately 1.15 Mach, so 1.15 times the speed of sound. This is quite interesting for a Project Atmoventus, because this is pretty much exactly the same speed we are going to reach mid-flight. And there's a few interesting things to look out for. So as we zoom in on the bottom of the rocket right here, we also hear the call out for Mach 1, so reaching the sound barrier. On the completely flat bottom of the rocket, you can tell how the aerodynamic forces are pulling a lot of the rocket's exhausts back towards the rocket and creating what looks like another cone on the bottom side of the rocket, a cone of fire. So while the abort system is working its job in the background, I will tell you why this is of such a high significance to us. Our rocket is designed a lot like the one we just looked at, with a completely flat bottom and a nozzle coming out. But unlike this rocket, our bottom is not completely closed off, but is littered with different technical parts that help us steer the nozzle or cushion the landing. Obviously, those parts are quite important to us and we do not want to lose or burn them, so we will have to figure out a way to either stop this effect from happening or how we can isolate all the parts sticking out of our rocket from this cone of fire. If you want to know how we solve this problem, just stick around, subscribe and hit the bell. But before you leave, let me just give you a little heads up to another rocket launch coming up soon, on the 20th of July. It is the launch of the MOMO 4 rocket, a little suborbital rocket carrying up to 20 kilograms over the Kármán line. It is built by Interstellar Technologies, a little Japanese company that actually was founded as a hobbyist organization back in 1997. If you're interested, jump over to their YouTube channel and don't miss their launch and watch them actually already achieving what we are still striving for in the future. Also a huge thank you to our first ever Patreon, Paiho. We're so glad to have you on board and we hope you will stick with us until we can deliver you the first ever pictures from space with our rocket. Thanks for watching and bye bye!